Hello everyone, I'm Duna and I'm an education graduate from the Philippines. I'm currently working as an English teacher for IMS Academy and I'm really keen on watching interesting videos. And I'm with my student Jace. Can you tell us about yourself, Jace?
Wait, teacher, I don't know what to say. I'm not really good in making a good self-introduction. I usually just say, "Hi, my name's Jace. Nice to meet you." That's all.
Okay, so today, Jace, I'm going to teach you and the viewers on how to make a good basic self-introduction. First, you need to start with a greeting. Hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone.
That's a good start. Next, introduce your name.
Hello, everyone. I'm Jace.
It's easy, right?
Yes,
Then, you say your location, like from what country are you from?
I'm from South Korea. Like that?
Or you can say your nationality.
I'm South Korean.
Sounds good.
Is that all?
No, we aren't done yet. Next is your position. If you're studying or working.
Okay, let me try. I'm an ESS student in IMS Academy.
Or you can say I'm an English learner.
Wow, I'm getting more confidence now.
I'm happy to hear that. If you feel comfortable, then you can also mention about your family. For example, I'm from a family of 4.
I'm from family of 4.
Alright. Finally, you say your hobbies.
I like watching soccer games and movies.
To make it sound more interesting, you can start with I'm keen on. For example, I'm keen on watching soccer games and movies.
Okay, I'm keen on watching soccer games and movies.
Good! Now, let's do a recap. First, start with a greeting.
Then say your name.
Then mention your location, then position.
Tell about your family and hobbies.
High five! Dave, can you tell us about yourself?
Hello everyone, I'm Ji-hoon Min and my nickname is Jace. I'm a South Korean studying English in IMS Academy Cebu. I'm from family of 4 and I'm keen on watching soccer games and movies.
Splendid! I'm Duna from IMS Academy Ayala, Cebu, Philippines.
I'm Jace, a student of IMS Academy.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.
Have a nice day!